guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be showing you guys how I got monetized in 24 hours. So if you're interested in this video, then keep on watching. Okay you guys, so I am going to be showing you guys how to get monetized on YouTube extremely fast within 24 hours. So obviously you need the requirements of the 4,000 watch hours and the 1,000 subscribers. Okay, so I'm screen recording right now. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to actually get monetized. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your analytics. Once you click on your analytics, you're going to change it over to the last 365 days, okay, because they want to know your total watch hours for the full 12 months of the year, and they want to know how many subscribers you have total overall. So what you will be doing is you're going to do the hard work for them. Okay, and the hard work is highlighting everything on this analytic and sending it to them so they don't have to do the research for you. Okay, so since after you change it over to the last 365 days, you're gonna go over to the right hand corner at the bottom where it says send feedback. Send feedback is right below the settings button. So you see settings on top and then you see send feedback at the bottom. Once you click on the send feedback, you are going to see a little square box that pops up on your screen and it's going to say send feedback, as well as also going to say include screenshots. So what you are going to do is you're going to actually create and highlight screenshots of your page, okay? And then in the feed box area, all you have to do is put something very simple like, hi, I recently met the requirements for the YouTube Partnership Program, the YPP. I have over 4,000 hours of watch time as well as over 1,000 subscribers. I'm just checking in to see if there is anything else you need from me to review my application. I also will attach screenshots of everything that is required for the submission. Thank you. So if you put something like that, something like your screenshots of everything, like your subscriber count, your watch hours, and also your YouTube page itself, as well as letting them know that you have everything that you need to qualify for the application and to be approved. So if you put something like that in the feedback as well with the screenshots, you should be well to go. I'm also going to show you guys down below where it says click the highlights or hide info. You click on that button, you click on the yellow square. It is a yellow square here, and it says draw using yellow to highlight issues or black to hide sensitive things. So we're going to use the yellow one. You're going to click on the yellow one, and then you're going to click your page, and then also you can make it bigger as well. So you're gonna highlight your channel page like this, okay, and then you're gonna highlight your watch hours, okay, and then also you're gonna highlight your total subscriber count. Now your total subscriber count is not this one. It is not the one that's in the triangle box next to the watch hours. It is actually over here on the left hand corner where it says subscribers, see live count subscribers. You will be highlighting that because that is your total amount of subscribers on your channel. So you highlight that as well. And then you also highlight the 365 days so they know that it's for a whole year. So now you have everything highlighted. You have your channel name highlighted. You have your watch time hours highlighted. You have your subscriber count highlighted. And you have the 365 days highlighted. So once everything is highlighted, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to click done. Once you click done, everything is saved in there, okay? So all of the screenshots is saved into the send feedback, okay? So now you're letting them know in the feedback that you have everything that is qualified to submit and be approved by monetization for the monetization. And then you have your screenshots. Once you have all of those things, you press send, and that's it. Yes, that's it. It will take them less than 24 hours to approve your channel and to monetize your channel. Yes, it literally took them 24 hours, and I am officially monetized on YouTube. Yes, I am so happy and so excited, and I'm so ready to venture on this continuous journey of YouTube. I know I am a small channel, but I have big dreams that my channel will grow and flourish and blossom into this beautiful flower. If you've been with me since I first started, I've been on YouTube for about a year now. If you've been with me on this journey since the beginning, I want to say thank you guys so very much, and I appreciate all of the support. I also want to say again, I apologize for not posting. I know it's been like almost a month, or already a month already since I posted, and I'm gonna try my best to be more consistent. I've been doing so well for this whole year. Like, this was like really my first time taking a break and not posting, but I am back on the grind, okay? I am back on this hustle, and I am extremely excited, and I have so many ideas, and I can't wait to just like put all these ideas out and show you guys everything that I have and what I'm working on. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a big fat thumbs up, comment down below, let me know what you guys think my next video should be. I hope you guys enjoyed this lovely video, and I will see you guys in the next freaking video.